Halor ke jingkeli nagilat pathai khubor bau Konrad ke sangma National President ke NPP padu Myntri rangba ke jela Meghalaya haka step khandai tarik jong naitung araja arpusan ulalum ya palat arphongot ki MLA ke parti Ïing sa jong u lese Ïakren ya ke kam Bujli Myntri haka sarkar MDA2 kata na ke NPP uba Sñiawbhalang dhar u MLA ke parti nanar tiang badu sembut Myntri rangba ubari pej ya katanat urban affairs ulaong ba syamladon lang haka jingelang Uba Sñiawbhalang dhar ulaong bagi day ki MLA na rilom Garo ke Ïakren halor ki kam ki biya day bat karoy kapar haki constituency jongki. Ulaong basyan ki MLA na khasi jan tiaru kin sadon yakum kitay ki jingalang. Ulaong bahab ban ya pet ya ki kam ki balale haki ars nam siteng bat kumjo ki padang hab ban pendap. Habakali halor ke kam Bujli Myntri haka sarkar MDA2 uba Sñiawbhalang dhar ulaong. Kani ke jingkeli ke day yo Myntri rangba ban jubab bat ka syong haka rai jong u. Kumban syukro bagi lami ki khubor basyan kan sadon gejing Bujli syuki Myntri haka sarkar MDA2 kata badan gejing penhap na ki syuki Myntri yauba coming wanambon MLA ke NPP naralyang ubare Myntri bakhmi ya katanat food and civil supplies uba AL hack u MLA ke BJP na penthor umkhra ubare Myntri katanat animal husbandry and veterinary uba Shakler Wardry MLA ke HSPDP na mautat raisan ubare Myntri katanat sports badu rakam is sangma MLA ke NPP na ronggara siju ubare Myntri katanat pulih. Kedon kejing Ïakren bagi BJP bat HSPDP ki badan mar arngot ki MLA bagi ladan kejing penbej banya syemti mar siteng samoy ya ki syuki Myntri kata naka BJP haka jakau ba AL hang dau ba sanbor sulai MLA ke Shillong South bat naka HSPDP dau ba Methodist dekhar MLA ke Mountain Road haka jakau ba Shakler Wardry. Hendrai kabakum kini gejing yate kamdan haka NPP kabalam khmat ya ka sarkar MDA2. Hendrai layok hubor bau ba coming wanambon un sya Bujli dau ba wailat meki Shillau MLA na jowai bau rakam e sang mapan ulak ban sya Bujli dau Marthan J sangma MLA na Mandi Pathar.
My another thing is that regarding today's NPP meeting, if you can tell us that
NPP I was not there.
This morning NPP meeting.
No, I was not there. There is some part of the meeting, some presentation from the MLA and the CL. This is not there. Some discussion with the particular constituency only. I was not a part of that.
I was told that around 22 MLAs.
That's what? From Garo Hill. It's not there. They are discussing about developmental activities with their respective constituency. We are yet to meet from this side, from Giant discussions. That is a discussion. They are. I'm not sure. I was not there. We are reviewing our own constituency, what we have done for the last 2.5 years. CM was very clearly for all the NPP MLAs. We have to check and balance and to review what we have done for the last 2.5 years. And today is not Atiar Park. Today it's in Garo Hill or something like that.
So after Garo Hill, there will be a review.
Yeah, after Garo Hill, after Kasugana, we will do it. So what we have done and what we are yet to be done. It's a good meeting actually, and it's a good proposal from the national president also.
But is the chief minister is going for cabinet reshuffle?
That he is the only right person to reply you for this question, not me.
But after this process is done, is he has he communicated, because you are deputy CM? So
no, whatever review, the decision is the chief minister. He is the leader of the party and is also the leader of the house.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya